So what is social media? I think that's a question that everybody should ask himself. What really is it? I want to answer this question and how you can profit from it and use it to grow your personal brand, and then also use it to promote maybe an online community like I can help you, or a product or a service, a digital product, anything you want. So jumping right in, social media is just an advertising platform, either for personal brands or for established companies and brands and ads. So let me explain. Everything that is promoting an aspect to somebody else, that tries to prove a point or sell something, sell a trait, sell an insight, sell knowledge, is advertising from it's advertising of a perspective. So if I'm creating this content, I'm advertising my view to you. So don't forget that. Now, the more conventional way we know it is that advertising on social media is when ads pop up and brands like maybe Nike or I don't know, Apple are promoting some products on there, and they pay the social media platform so they can get displayed on your feed. So what does this help us understanding this? This helps us to align ourselves with the platform's incentives. Platforms earn the money from the people or the companies that pay for the advertisement to get a certain percentage or a certain amount of eyeballs to their ads. But it's kept up, and the attention is kept by personal brands that advertise themselves for free for the platform. So Instagram, for example, is kept up by the stories that the people post that you follow, or the posts and the reels and the explore page. That's what keeps people inside of Instagram. But Instagram doesn't want people to click off to a third party link. So people stay on Instagram, watch more ads, they can make money, and the other brands don't make the money. It's all about who gets the money and who pays the money. If you want me to go more in depth on that, make sure to comment and let me know. So what does this mean for us? If you want to align yourself with the algorithms, to get boosted by the algorithms, you need to have that in mind. And now you can start creating content with a system. Keep people watching your stuff and people on the platform, and then the platforms will like you more. So what has it to do with advertising? You can now create a funnel, for example on YouTube, to funnel people from one video of yourself to another one, to another one. Then people start to watch a whole series of your videos. YouTube starts to promote the whole series. All of them get a boost. All of them get a new chance at virality. All of them become more representative of your brand. So you can really leverage this if you align yourself. Now, from the advertising's perspective, the conventional way I described before is that brands pay the platform to get their ads displayed. But if you make your content an ad itself, or so-called VSL, a video sales ladder, you can use the free distribution to get people advertised. You can get even paid for advertising. So this flips the script completely. So let's make an example. You have maybe 15,000 followers on YouTube and you want to sell something. If you now make a video on your channel, link some other videos to your new video. Now the other videos create a funnel towards this new video. This new video gets displayed even more because people start to click on it from outside links. There are new links. This gets the boost for the views. So now what? It creates even more views, this video, the older it gets, and then it starts creating ad revenue. So you get paid to promote. Let that sink in. There has never been an option or an opportunity like this ever before. In no journal or no TV you could promote and get paid for promoting. There was never an option for that. So leverage this system, create systematic content that is aligned with the different social media platforms, and then you will thrive with your personal brand and your business. With that being said, keep building.